Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. In this video, we will see about the text alignment. Okay, so in the previous video, we have covered the box model, how to create the box model. If you haven't gone through it, you can go through our CSS tutorial playlist. Okay, so here we are going to cover the text alignment property. So what is the text alignment is used for means it will set the horizontal alignment for the text. Okay, so let's see with the practical. So to understand more better way. So what I'll do, I'll create a one file here. So text alignment or like text.html. So shift plus one, and for example h1 I'm using. So that is heading tag. So what I'll do here, so h1, I'll select the first of all I need to use the style tag. In this I'll select the what h1 tag. So I'll use the text. Okay, text alignment. Okay, so text align. So if I want end like center, end, or justify, left, right, these are the values and the start. So center means it will align in the center. If you go with that, if you see that, so let me go through it. So if you want to make the text in center means I can just go with the what center. If I want to use in at the like end or something like that, you can use the directly end. Okay, so it will go with the end. And also if you want to use this right, you can use it at a right also. So there is no worries in between the end or a right. Okay, so for example, if I use the right, so where it will be started. Okay, so for example, now see, so it is at the end itself. Okay, so that is how it will apply. For example, if I use the start, so these are the base like default values. Okay, if you don't use any kind of start or a left thing means it will be the default value, it will be present. Okay, now you can see and justify means what happens if I use the justify. Okay, so justify means according to the screen it will get justify with that. It will go with that. Okay, so you can see whether how I have to go with the like justify means for example let us go with the according to the your screen size it will fit into the particular alignment. Okay, so that is called as a justify. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you to understand the what is a text align. In the next video, we will see with the different properties of the CSS. Until then, if you like this video, please hit on the like button, share it to your friends, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching it.